Hi, this is Carol from Inspiredby and welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by the Crafty Kitty, and all we had to do was a Valentine's tablescape, and this is what I chose to do. So if you like what you see, just continue watching and I will give a description of the things that I've done. Okay, so right here I have the table setting. I have a placemat that I purchased from Pier 1 when it was on sale. The napkins I got from Amazon. The napkin holder is actually from, I believe it was the Dollar Tree or Dollarama. It's just a bling wrap that I just put around the napkin holders to hold the napkins and the cutlery in place. The dishes I also purchased when it was on clearance. And here I have, to personalize the tablescape, I have a glass that I purchased from Pier 1, which has my initials on it and my husband's. This one's my husband's initial. So I have two glasses. One is for water and one is for the beverage of our choice. I know somebody's probably going to say that's not a water glass, but for me it is. Next, here, this was an inspiration from Beauty and the Beast. I think that's one of the most beautiful love stories that there is. And I don't know if you remember seeing the rose there. So I did that because I was inspired by it. And the candlesticks I purchased from Ross for only $6.99. And I was able to purchase 4 of these red candles for $1 from Dollarama. And over here, instead of using petals, and I was going to use rose petals, I decided instead that I was going to use Hershey's Kisses. You can eat them. You can't eat the rose petals. So this is just a fast and simple little video here showing you what I did for my Valentine's tablescape. And once again, I would love to thank the Crafty Kitty for this invite. And I would like to encourage you all to go and check out the other participants in this collaboration. And if you like what you saw, please share this video so that others may subscribe. And you, if you have not yet, hit the subscribe button. And thanks so much and have yourself a great day. I didn't know what I didn't know till the day you were gone that I could ever face trouble without you here with me. But now I'm looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to us. That there would always be nights since you disappeared.